Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm trying to reuse my broken coffee table. You can see it came out of its glue. So I'm gonna fix it together using the screws and upholster it. Here I'm using a mattress topper instead of regular foam because I have this for quite a while and never used it. It's really nice material and fire resistant. I'm gonna cut it. Cutting it roughly following the shape of the table, and I'm not worried about cutting it very precisely because the foam is very soft, and I need to cut two of the same size. This is the fabric I am using. It is for wet stretchy velvet material in dusky pink color. Then I use a bit of hot glue on top of the table and on the first layer of foam just to make sure it will not slip around while we're working on it. Then I'm arranging the fabric on its top and staple its four sides to see it will reach all over. Then we can start doing from one end to the other. On my other projects like this, people come over again and again asking about how do you clean it. In this material you can just surface clean only, but if you are so much concerned you can use stuff like leather materials, upholstery leather, PVC bagged fabric or waterproof materials. So it's up to you to use what kind of things you want. Personally, I prefer to have soft and smooth materials for my project. If it gets so messy, I would be redoing this project in a couple of years or more. It depends. Here I am using metal bagged acrylic upholstery nails. Just use the regular hammer and secure it. That's it. Here I am sanding its legs to get a shabby chic look. Okay, let's see the final look. and I'm loving it more than before. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you later. Bye bye.